Welcome to my editing tutorial. My boss, Authentically Debi, has asked me to teach her how to edit. So, I am going to record myself editing one of her devotions starting from the very beginning. I use two applications when I edit: Handbrake and Lightworks. Lightworks has a premium plan, but both applications are free. You will need a Lightworks account to use it. Handbrake is used to fix the video if it was recorded on a mobile phone or uses a variable frame rate. I'll explain in detail later. Next, you will need a folder. You can right-click on the desktop or choose a folder that already exists. For the tutorial, I am giving the folder the name Clones. Next, open the application Handbrake. Once opened, you will need to go to the bottom left of the window and click Preference. Once in Preference, click the tab Output File. Then, click the Browse button next to Default Path. Locate and select the folder you created or chose in a previous step. After you are done, click the Back button. Next, search for the video or group of videos you wish to edit. Drag one of the videos onto Handbrake. Near the middle are a few tabs. Click on the Video tab. Next, click on Constant Frame Rate. Ensure that Save As bar has the correct folder selected. Press the big green button to start the process. Once the bar at the bottom finishes, a clone of the video will be created. To prevent unforeseen bugs, I do each video one at a time. While we wait, I will explain why I am doing this. On mobile devices, when you record a video, it records in something called variable frame rate. Normally, this isn't a problem. However, Lightworks prefers a constant frame rate. If I were to put a video with a variable frame rate into Lightworks, the audio and the video would desync. The video would be constant while the audio would be variable, causing the audio to appear faster than the video. Debbie was kind enough to give me her script. As a personal preference, I make a copy of the script and put it into Notepad. When I add subtitles, I like to delete parts of the script to keep track of where I am. Next, open Lightworks. You will need an account to use Lightworks, but after you sign in, click on Create New Project. You can name it whatever you want. Next, open the folder with your videos. Since I used Handbrake, I am using the clone folder. If you have multiple videos, click the first video, then Shift plus click the last video. Then, drag the videos into the empty section to the left in Lightworks. Next, you can click and drag each video one at a time, or you can click the first video and shift-click the last video. Drag the videos to the bottom part of Lightworks and move it to the left till it snaps into place. One thing I like to do first is go to the audio mixer and increase the volume to max. Next, play the video and pay attention to mistakes.
Have you ever felt overlooked, like your effort, your pain, or your faithfulness goes completely unnoticed? Have you ever felt overlooked, like your effort, your pain, or your faithfulness goes completely unnoticed?
Before we begin editing, here is a few things to remember. The red diamond with the line can be dragged to move to a different part of the video. The magnifying glasses to the left can be used to zoom in. I always press zoom in twice before editing. Finally, shortcuts are your friends. Ctrl+C will undo your most recent action. The letter C will cut the video. And the letter X will delete anything that is selected. Literally anything, including the void. Now to begin editing the video. You might have noticed that Debbie said the same sentence twice. Here, I selected the video and the audio and press the delete key. Then I go to the arrows below the preview window and select Move Forward. That will jump the video forward to the next stopping point or cut. Then I go to the two blue arrows and press the right one. Then press the Move Backwards button. That will select the void. Press the letter X to delete the void.
That means nothing you do in sincerity and obedience is ever wasted. That means nothing you do in sincerity and obedience is ever wasted. That means nothing you do in sincerity.
Here, there is another instance where Debbie said the same thing twice. For this one, I used the shortcut C to isolate the duplicate sentence. Then I press Move Forward, the right blue arrow, Move Backward, and the letter X. When I edit for Debbie, I like to create custom subtitles. Here is how I do it. In the top left are a few tabs. Click on the Effects tab. Next, click and drag the title's effect onto the first video. Then, right-click the video and select Unfold. Zoom out all the way. Click the words Video and Audio to the left of the timeline to unselect them. This ensures that any changes you make only happens to the title effect. Next, hover near the end of the title card till two brackets show up. Click the brackets. Next, click and drag to the end of the video. Click the title bar to unselect it. In the preview, you can see your title. You can even click and drag in the preview. To the right is where you can change the title's properties. Here, I changed the font to Arial Black so it is more noticeable. Above the font are 5 tabs. If you click on Outline, you can add a black outline to your text. Next, the script. I like to copy and paste the script one sentence at a time. Copy the sentence, then press Ctrl-V into the text box to the right. Use the arrow keys and the Enter key to make it look better. I then press play till she finishes her sentence.
Have you ever felt overlooked, like your effort, your pain, or your faithfulness goes completely unnoticed?
Sometimes, I wait till she starts her next sentence. Press the letter C, move the red line slightly to the left. Delete the text, and paste in the next sentence. This sentence is long, so I paste in half. When you move the red line far to the right, you can drag it farther. Time for the final steps. Zoom out all the way. Press the words video and audio to activate them. Move the red line all the way to the right. Press move backwards till the red line is at the end of the video. I had to press it twice. Press C. The left blue arrow, move forward multiple times till it reaches the end, then the letter X. That will delete the void at the end. Finally, time to export it. In the top right is a tab called Export. Click on the arrow to the right of Format. Click on the media file of your choice. I can only choose MP4. To the right of name, click on the word Automatic. This is where you name your video. Underneath it is where you choose which folder to put the video in. In the bottom left of that section is the Start button. And that concludes my tutorial. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.